If you want to have excitement, you've got to do things that you don't normally do. Go places you don't normally go. See things you don't normally see. I think this is now the river route, called the river route. I can't remember, Camino del Rio or something like that. And it's the river route all the way to Riogordo. And we crossed the river a few times. That looks like it. This is the first crossing. Oh, there's a bit of water running there. Wow, how lovely is this? I have to go very slowly though, because if there's a car coming the other way, there's not really much space. Oh, look at that. I love rivers. Isn't that beautiful? It's rare for me to see this. A running river. Okay, let's go on and find the next river crossing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Da 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 da. Almond blossom and some of that lovely flower that we saw in the other place. I wonder what the flower is. It's lovely. Honeysuckle? I have no idea. What must it be like to live down here? It's quite a challenge if you want to nip out for something. Oh wow, look at that. Isn't that lovely? It'd be worth finding the water zones after all the rain we've had. Look at that lovely pool. Aha! It would be lovely if it was like that in summer, wouldn't it? But it isn't, I can guarantee you. Oh, look at that. I love it. I can see why it's called the river route. Can't help it, got to take a photo. I love coming to new places. If you want to have excitement, you've got to do things that you don't normally do. Go places you don't normally go. See things you don't normally see. At least that's what I think. It'd be lovely to have a swim in the cold water. I guess it's very cold. It won't be too cold. I like cold swimming. I had a swim in the sea yesterday. It was really not cold at all. According to the internet, it was 14.5 degrees. It wasn't difficult to get into. Didn't take away my breath. I didn't have to get out. I swam and swam. It was lovely. And again. I think we're nearly at Riogordo, to be honest. Oh, it's danger. This is floodable. So I guess this was flooded when the rains were happening. What has been, at least. Didn't expect him to come up here. I thought I was going on the river road all the way. Oh, this is Riogordo, is it? It is indeed. Welcome to Riogordo. It's a pretty little town, isn't it? Very pretty. Super pretty. We didn't go through the middle because we are actually going via Overtake because it's a beautiful day, so I don't need to go home yet. Look at that bridge. I think bridges and tunnels are cute. I should say little bridges and little tunnels are cute. That's the end of the little river road, obviously. Now we're climbing up to Overtake and Overtake. We're not going through Overtake, we're going through Overtake. No warning of this, eh? Okay. No one's saying anything, so I suppose okay. It's a very sudden thing to find in the road, I think. What a ride. What a lovely ride.